Good morning, everybody. Oh my God. This is the road near my house. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Can't even get out onto the road these days. Everybody's commuting to work down through my city. Move it. Get in there. Get in there. Hey, it's just turning over there. That's crazy. So I'm in Portland, Oregon. Hey everybody, Dave Williamson here at ToyCarCollector.com, where I buy and sell early 1968 Redline Hot Wheels. I love those things, especially the first year, 1968. There's 16 models called the Sweet 16 or the Original 16 or just the 68 models. They're so beautiful. If you have any and you want to sell them, give me a holler. Gotta be nice though, none of that junk stuff. Man, I tell you what, every day people offer me junky cars they want to sell, but I feel so bad. I didn't even know what to say. I'd be like, okay, no, not really, thank you, bye. What I want to say is, oh my God, what did you do to these things? Jeez. Well, I can't really say that. That would be mean, I think. At least my wife tells me it would be. It's my wife that makes me into a nice person. Otherwise, I'm a complete... You know what I mean. So, anyway, today's topic is... I got one of those fantastic special Volkswagens. Yes, the limited edition custom shop from Mattel. Seems like about 4 or 5 weeks ago now. And I haven't even opened up the box yet. So, let's open that box right now and see what it looks like. Dave Williamson, Toy Car Collector here, and in this box is one of those special handmade prototypes by Mattel Toys for Hot Wheels. And it's interesting thing about this, I got this like 2 months ago, for crying out loud. Look at this, they said they shipped it on, what was the date? What was the date? It was 4/3. Here it's been sitting in my basement for 2 months waiting for me to make a video and open this and share it with you to see exactly what $325 will get you from Mattel on a limited edition hand-built prototype supposedly made with a one of those printers, those plastic printers, 3D printer. Okay, so the funny thing about this is these were supposedly made in the studios of Los Angeles or wherever it is that Mattel is, but then these were sent from Pennsylvania, so they literally shipped them across the country to Pennsylvania, then shipped it back across the country to me, and all at a cost of $325. Now this was supposed to be sent express mail, but they didn't send it express mail, but they were nice enough to refund the shipping charge of $25. Okay, so let's take a look and see how their packing job was. Okay, so they've used bubble pack. Now I don't really particularly care for this stuff, and as you can see, the bubble pack on this side, there's no air in it, so it's laying right up against the wall of the box. But it did survive bubble on the bottom and whatnot. So here's what we've got. Collectors.com, Mattel, official licensed product. Volkswagen trademarks used under license to Mattel. All right. And it comes in a plastic bag. All right. Well, that's nice. Nice little touch. Gonna have to save that plastic bag. Okay. Then we get the box out. Oh, look at that. Now, on the outside of the box is a picture of the Volkswagen T1. I believe that's what it's called. And then let's see. That is the bottom of the box, apparently, and this is the opening side of the box. Let's try to get this open without doing any harm. Do no harm. That's what I always say. Okay, let's see if we can get this open. Okay, all right, there it is, opened up. Bubble wrap inside, bubble wrap in the bottom of the box. Let's go ahead and set this out so that it looks nice. How do you like my studio today? It's the bottom of a chair. All right. All right, here we go. Unwrapping nicely. Okay, there it is. Now what do we have here? Here we have a tag of some type. It is a certified edition 45 of 250. Builder Mark Wyatt. Designer Phil Rauman. Volkswagen off-road truck, October 2017. A very nice little tag there from Hot Wheels. Now let's take a look. Okay, there's no more boxes. This is the custom wood box. The custom wood box. Let's see. Let's get down there a little bit, Dave. Come on now. Here we go. Hot Wheels USA. There it is. Certified prototype with a custom-made wood box. Now, did they use a wood-burning set for that? Do you remember wood-burning sets? Now, if you're as old as me, you remember the wood-burning tools. It was a lot of fun when we were kids, and if you're a young person, look up wood-burning set and see all the fun you could have in the past. Yes, we had the cool toys in the past. Now, look at that. It's a nice window on there. Oh, more stuff on the bottom there. Hot Wheels collectors. All right. Definitely. Let's see. How do you open this box? Okay, there looks to be one side. Doesn't really lend itself to fabulous display, I think. You can put this up. I think I'll put that on my shelf like that. And you slide open the custom wooden box. And it's got a couple of tabs to pull on. Now let's see. Pulling on the tabs. Pulling on the tabs and sliding out the model. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Probably don't want to take this out too many times. Just leave her in there. She's going to be part of a series of 3, which I hope to get all 3 of to make a nice complete series. This is pretty cool. I got a really neat little plastic deal here. I don't want to break anything. Holy smokes. It's kind of snaps. There it is. There it's snapping. All right, now it's open. I think she's open. Still a little stuck over here. A little stuck there. All right, here we go. All right, now we've pulled it back, and here we go. Now I'm gonna have to be real careful with this because this is a hand-built prototype, and there it is with the chassis. I think I'm not sure. I think just the body, this piece underneath. I don't know which all pieces were 3D printed, but it feels very fragile, very delicate. Now is that wait a minute, is that a slot for a Sizzler charger? No, they're not making this into a Sizzler. But it is very, very cool. Obviously, if you dropped it on the floor, it would be very, very broken. But there she is, the T1. And I think I will keep her in her original box, color her, and we'll put that all right back where it came from. And so she'll be safe in there in the plastic. Yes, this is a part of a 3-car series. And so it'll really be exciting to have all 3 Hot Wheels prototype. I actually like the box the best of all. It's pretty cool. Look at the way they built that. That's really neat. Can you see that? Put a little tab in there to hold that bit in there, the plastic. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I think this is hand built too. I don't know. Model shop, official licensed product. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, let's put that slider back in the box. Guess she goes this way. Because you got to be able to pull on the tabs. And there it is. The Volkswagen T1, right? T1? Kind of like the Tiguan. There we go. Put her back in the box. And I'm going to put this on display in the Hot Wheels room. I think I'll just put it up in like that. It's very, very cool. Put all the delicate bits back together. Put the sign on it. And put this all back in the box for a later day. So thanks for joining me for this fabulous unveiling of the Volkswagen off-road truck prototype, hand-built, one of 250 ever made. And these things are neat. They're going to be highly collectible forever. So, all right, thank you for joining me. And with this, I say goodbye for now. Goodbye.